east, and right before the Palm Springs, the outlets, Cabazon outlets.
It's got water pouring out.
And someone did a big boo-boo.
Overweight.
Oh man, hopefully everyone's okay. That sucks.
That's weird.
Alright, back on the road. We're at the river! Good afternoon, guys. All right, now after our fun adventure out here, as you saw, we came across that one fifth wheel that was accident out in before Palm Springs. The Cabazon outlets out there, so we just missed that. It just happened. There was no emergency vehicles there yet. There was a CHP officer there, so he was helping out. But yeah, then we came out here. Took us about 5 hours. We are currently at Colorado River, Parker area, Earp, California to be exact. Actually, to be even more exact, we are at Emerald Cove Resort. So you can see we are here, set up. Our rig is right here. And the reason why we came out here is because Grammy and Papa are still here. They are, I want to say still here, but they're here. We just went and visited them at O'Neill Regional Park in the previous video, and now we are visiting them here. They are right there with the bikes there. We are 3 rows back. I'll do a quick walk over here. This campground is a RV resort, so it is not open to the public. Barbara and Dawn they are members here, so family is allowed to come here. Easy, quick little walk right down here. As you can see, the Colorado River. Alright guys, we will check back in a little bit later. There goes a boat. See you. He's gonna go.
Stand up, Scotty. Watch him.
Watch him? Where's the boat? Where's the red boat? Watch him over there. He's gonna go fast. Okay, say go red. Go red boat.
Sit down.
You gonna sit down and watch? Okay. He's gonna get ready to go. He's gonna go very fast. You hear him? There he goes. Another one? Okay, we'll watch another one. Okay. guys, wanted to do a quick update. We've been out and about running around and it's been extremely hot out. Yesterday we went to the Blue Water Casino over on the Parker side and went into the casino, showed Scotty that. Then we went and watched some of the boat races they were practicing, so we got to see that and Scotty loved watching that, so that was fun. We went to the pool, been hanging out at the pool a lot, and going to dinner with Grammy and Papa, and been hanging out playing in the water all day. And the reason why I've been at the water all day, it is 102 out right now. It's been like that every day, so it is hot out here. But the river's nice and cold, so it feels good. Taking a nap, resting up, so that we can come back out and go back out and play a little bit more. So we will check back later. See you guys later. What are you doing? Where are you going? Sky's over here. Come around there. Over there. Go see. Look right there, Sky. What's that? Oh my gosh. What's he gonna do? What's he doing? What is it? You gonna talk to him? Say hee-haw. Hee-haw. What's he doing?
Why the hell is there a donkey here?
What's he doing? Hey, bub. There goes Grammy and Papa. Bye, Grammy, Papa, Bubba, and Abby.
Bye, House on Wheels.
There they go. Alright. And we are right behind them. We are headed out of Emerald Cove Resort in Earp, California, the Colorado River, right across from Parker, Arizona. It was a good trip. It was very hot. Every day was over 100, but that is what the river's about. We went yesterday and hung out down at the river, put the easy up and chilled and played in the water. And then we came back and we took a nap. But not too bad. Then we went and we cooked us some hot dogs, some chili dog, mac and cheese, and then we saw a wild burro come through the campground. Scotty got to go play with him and say hi. Now we are following Grammy and Papa out and back onto the road, heading home. We will definitely be back. This was a fun place. They had 2 pools, kiddie pool, a park, miniature golf course. It's right on the river, so it was a great time. Heading home. Hopefully we get home safe and we'll be back out on the road again. Say bye, Scotty. You say bye? Bye. Bye.